Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing some deep cleaning. I have been having the itch to start deep cleaning my whole house, getting ready for the spring, and also decluttering and reorganizing many spaces in my home. This video, we're going to start off today with deep cleaning my master bathroom from top to bottom. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and say hi and let me know how you're doing, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course I'm going to start off with picking up the mess in the bathroom. So any dirty laundry or just stuff that doesn't need to be on the countertop, we're going to go ahead and put those things away before we get into the actual deep cleaning. So we are going to go ahead and use this method all-purpose cleaner to clean off my mirrors because I couldn't find my Windex anywhere at this time. I also purchased a new cleaning product by Mr. Clean. It's the Clean Freak multi-purpose cleaner with Unstoppable's fresh scent, which smells so good, almost like laundry detergent. So we're spraying that all over the sink. It does such a good job. And then we're going to go ahead and steam my sink with my little handheld steamer.
This is what it's like. I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. I thought it would scare me. I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was.
So we have some exciting stuff that we are going to be doing in our home, some new updates and renovations, and you guys, I am ready for it. I have been wanting to do some changes and updates in our house for a while, so I'm so happy that hubby's on board. We've already had a few consultations with a few different people to get quotes. We are going to be updating like the floors downstairs, baseboards, putting in shutters all over the downstairs windows, and just a few more updates. They're going to be really fun. They are going to be a game changer in our home. We're just going with a new look, so make sure you are subscribed so you can follow along the way of the changes that we do in our home and seeing that before and after. I will be sharing all of that with you guys as we go. What we started with this past weekend is started decluttering through our garage, putting some stuff in a storage, and just kind of downsizing things that we don't need or use. I will have that video after this one. I just feel really good about minimizing the spaces in our home. Our closets get too cluttered. Our garage gets cluttered every few months. No matter how many times a year I reorganize it, it just ends up becoming a mess. Just stay tuned because we have a lot of fun videos coming.
Long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it. You putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to late nights dancing.
So typically I would work from top to bottom, but I forgot to do these lights here, so I wanted to go ahead and dust those off.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you. on you all night, all night. Know that see what you want, see what you want, 'cause I wanna know, I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Or tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I've been.
If you haven't used a Bissell Steam Shot, you are missing out. It really gets into those places that are hard to reach. Right now, I'm just kind of wiping up the residue that came out from the sink handles and all of that stuff. I will go ahead and link the cleaning products that I use down in the description box if you wanted to look any of those up.
Good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you.
So now we're gonna go ahead and clean my little toilet area here. And yes, we recently bought the Squatty Potty. I don't think it's the actual brand Squatty Potty, but it is one from Amazon and we are loving it. It definitely helps you go to the bathroom much smoother. So I wanted to make sure I Clorox wipe that off first thing first, which I did. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my probiotic cleaner on the toilet, which helps remove urine better than any other cleaning product. I like to use this black light so you can really see, urine that you miss cleaning. And believe it or not, even though you clean your toilet, you're sometimes can miss a spot. So that black light really helps just to make sure you got everything up. And I will also link those things in the description, but you can find it over on Amazon.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge, the bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I try to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew. I knew you thought it was an old flame, but I told.
Again, we're using the Bissell Steam Shot. We are getting down in those areas that we can't reach with a brush or a cloth or anything like that. I feel like if you want to know if a toilet is clean, check the base of the toilet. If it's dirty down there and still has urine stuck in there, it is not fully clean.
Why do you still flee when you are all that I want? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. I'm faithful like a.
So I am going to be steam mopping the floors. I just went ahead and used the Clean Freak multi-purpose cleaner to clean up any like leftover dirties from the toilet and in that area, and also tackling the baseboards.
Though I admit it's cute, but there's too many disputes. that's with you once and for all. Just tell me how I can set you free. I need to know. I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's trash out in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely. Cause I'm still waiting, yeah, for you to come around and save me. Will you stay with me? I'm lost here in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost here in America. Stay with me. I'm lost here in America. Stay with me now. 'Cause I'm lost here in America. So I crawl into the underground to find it hard to breathe. 'Cause there's too much dust in the air, and we can't reverse the wind. 'Cause I found when I've searched around lately, the world seems to be the same. There's only room for the privileged and sacred, yeah. Ooh, and I want to praise them. Yeah. Will you stay with me? I'm lost here in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost here in America. Stay with me. I'm lost here in America. Stay with me now. Oh, yeah. Wide awake in an alien world, alien world. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard, still the unheard of. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake in an alien world, where I'm still waiting, I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of. I'm still the unheard of. Ooh, will you stay with me? Ooh, I'm lost here.
So we are done cleaning the bathtub. I'm going to go ahead and put the items back on my countertops. I didn't put everything back because I want to simplify. That's kind of where I'm at right now. It's the beginning of the year, and that's just what I like to do, especially during the spring. And it just feels better to have less clutter. And I think over the last few months, we've accumulated more clutter, and it just takes up space, and it's too much for my brain. House or home anxiety is a real thing, you guys. Many people report that a messy house can trigger their feelings of stress and anxiety. And if you're like me and you already have anxiety, having a cluttered, messy home is just going to make it 10 times worse.
Staying up tonight and I'm all alone. Feeling okay, then you hit my phone. Saying, babe, wanna meet up? I'm in the club, but I'm done now. Can I come up? Saying, of course you can come by. I don't know why, but you're so shy.
I had to wait until the next day to steam mop my floors because my steam mop pads, they weren't cleaned. So I had to wash them, and then I had a couple clients in the evening, so I wasn't able to actually steam mop until the next day. So that is what we're doing right now. We are going to complete this bathroom deep clean, and we will move on to the next space in our home in the next video.
Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. I've been living every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid now. So now it's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise. Oh, you're light. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Give me any feedback or ideas that you guys might have. Leave them in the comments. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.